Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So let's talk a little bit about Planner. I know we've talked a little bit about it before, I kind of touched on it, but what is Planner? So Microsoft Planner, think of it as Microsoft Tasks on steroids. So some of you might recall that Microsoft Outlook used to have something called Tasks, and that's what Planner is supposed to replace. And it's a lot more than just tasks. I mean, it gives you so much information, and just at a glance, it's all visual, right? So let me share my screen real quick, and I'll show you what it is. So here is my Microsoft Planner interface, and as you can see, it gives me at a glance what our two major departments are doing. It gives me some information about both of them. So over here it says one task left, and it shows me completed tasks and in progress. So very easily, if I want to go in, well, first of all, I can create a new plan over here by clicking the little plus, so I can create a new plan or a project. Now, what I like to do is organize by department. So I have two main departments. I'm going to go into the text department. When I click on that, basically we see all the different tasks that we have assigned by person. So right now it shows me everything that is assigned to Kaleem, and it shows me completed. It shows me completed tasks over here. So it gives me a lot of good information very quickly at a glance. And of course, if I want to see what all the tasks are across the company, I can just click on my Planner Hub, and it takes me over there. Now, of course, it will remind me if there is something that is late, or something that's in progress, like right here, or stuff that hasn't started yet. Now, if I go into my tasks, which I don't have, I don't have any current tasks, so of course, nothing in progress, nothing not started, but all my tasks are completed. By the way, I didn't do this just for recording. They they have actually been completed. But anyway, so it gives me a good overview of what's happening. Now, the good thing is, if I go into start a plan, now I don't want to start a plan, but I want to go into one of my departments here, and I want to add a task. So I can add a task, let's just say, for, office. So I have multiple areas, right? I can always create a new bucket, or I can create a task in an existing bucket. So I like to create them in like what major projects we do. So we do a lot of Office 365 projects, so that's why there's a separate bucket for that. And for all other projects, there's a separate bucket for that. So if I click on task, I can just call it test. I can set a due date, just choose something. I can assign it to another tech or a person. Now I can type in over here. Now, of course, these are the frequently used techs or engineers. I can put in anybody over here. So I can put in Mac, and I can add Mac to this. He's not a member of this team, but I can still add him to this task. I don't want to do that because it'll send him a notice and all of that. This is a production environment. So, but you can assign tasks just like you would in tasks in the old days, and now it's called Planner. So you can set up the due date, and then once it's added, it very easily will show you in a visual way what's going on and what's happening across the company. Again, try to use it. Now, if you drill down, you can see there's a lot of options here. There's like charts, there is scheduling options. I mean, it just makes life so much easier by using Planner as opposed to the old Microsoft Tasks, which was just you assign it to somebody, they can click it when it started, and then when it's completed, and that was it. Well, over here, since it's tied very closely with Microsoft Teams, everybody who's on that team, for example, in this case, PCS and Tax, anybody on that team will very easily at a glance be able to see what projects are going on, what projects are completed, what projects are late, and then even archive out projects. Same thing with the app dev team. So that's a real quick overview of Planner. If you haven't tried it, try it out. And of course, an easy way to get to Planner, click the little waffle, and choose Planner. If you don't see Planner listed right there, click on All Apps and then choose Planner from the list, just like so. And it will take you to your Planner. And if you have questions or recommendations, something you want me to talk about, feel free to reach out. Just reply to one of my emails and I'll make it happen. I'll see everybody tomorrow. And until then, everybody be safe and have a good day.